Welcome to Parrots Boutique Resort, your gateway to tranquil paradise in Palawan. Scan the QR code on your screen or consult the description below for effortless booking and to begin planning your escape. Nestled amidst the lush embrace of the Palawan landscape and kissed by pristine beaches, Parrots Boutique Resort offers an exquisite sanctuary. Picture yourself waking in a comfortable, well-appointed room designed for utmost relaxation. Choose from our selection of standard and deluxe accommodations, each a haven of peace and tranquility. Indulge in leisurely mornings, with checkout available until 10 a.m., allowing ample time to savor every moment of your stay. Our dedicated staff are committed to providing seamless service and ensuring every detail of your retreat exceeds expectations. With complimentary Wi-Fi and the convenience of included breakfast and parking, your comfort is effortlessly assured. Please note, Parrots Boutique Resort maintains a child-free environment, creating the perfect ambience for couples, solo travelers, and groups seeking a serene escape. Bask in the breathtaking beauty of Palawan's landscapes, unwind on the immaculate sands, and immerse yourself in the crystal-clear waters. Don't delay. Scan the QR code now to reserve your experience at Parrots Boutique Resort.